तलवारों की धारों पर इतिहास हमेशा बनता है, जिस ओर जवानी मुड़ती है उस ओर जमाना मुड़ता है. Respected judges, honorable guests and my fellow young Bharatians, let me begin with a very simple question. When 65% of a nation population is below the age of 35, when a billion dreams is ready to take the flight, what does the government owe its youth? No, it's not charity or sympathy. It's either opportunity, it's either roadmap. Ladies and gentlemen, on 1st of February 2026, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman delivered exactly that from the newly inaugurated Kartavya Bhavan. She called it a Yuva Shakti-driven budget, and I call it a letter written to us, the youth of India. Because it was not just a headline, in fact it was the pact between this government and 900 million youngsters of this India. It was for the first time ever in independent Bharat's history that the voice of youngsters was heard directly by the Prime Minister at Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue 2026. And it was not just heard, it was converted into policies, into allocation and into national priorities. Because we are no longer just the beneficiaries of the governance, we are its architects. We are the youth. As the PM says of India, that today's youth of Viksit Bharat is not tomorrow's Bharat, it is today's Bharat. Now let's talk about some facts. The Union Budget 2026 allocated rupees 1.28 lakh crore for the education, highest ever in the history of India. Because the government understands something that we must do. The next war fought is not fought with the help of weapons, it will be fought with the help of algorithms. Talking about startups. The startup, India is already at the third largest place in all over the world, yet is granted highest MSMEs and dedicated funds. Because the message was very bold and very clear, don't look up for a job, build one. Talking about rural youth, Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana was launched, including 100 districts who are very poor at agriculture fields. Because the Viksit Bharat could not only be built with Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru, it would also be built with the help of Shahjadpur, Shahjahanpur and Malda too, my dear judges. But here is my uncomfortable truth. The youngsters of India is not working. It's not only the fault of the government. Our progression and potential is not the same as the government is putting. Sorry to say, but schemes don't build nations, people do. As APJ Abdul Kalam once said, you must dream before your dream making it true. So when we talk about the budget, we talk about the Union Budget 2026, it has written our dream into policies. Now we must write it into reality through our sheer will, through our sacrifices and through our startups. Because let every rupee allocated become a result, let every scheme screen the way of a transformation and let Yuva Shakti become the Viksit Bharat. क्योंकि तुम युवा हो, तुम आशा हो, अभिलाषा हो, इस राष्ट्र की परिभाषा हो, तुम युवा हो. जय हिंद, जय भारत.